Adventure awaits. Make the most of your camping trips with essential gear from Amazon. We've curated a list of top-rated products to help you conquer any outdoor challenge. Let's explore. For the prepper, adventurer, hunter, or outdoor grill master, this is the ultimate fire starter. This patent-pending, non-toxic blend sticks, ignites in seconds, and burns for up to 15 minutes with just a dime-sized dab. Whether you're conquering the backcountry or simply craving a cozy campfire, Pyro Putty is your trusty companion. It's 100% waterproof and windproof, designed to perform well in conditions ranging from -10 to 100 degrees. With multiple blends, there's a perfect combination for every environment. Don't let the elements dictate your adventure. Pyro Putty is more than just a product. It's a promise of reliability. Combine it with our lithium-ion lighter or our iron rod survival kit for the ultimate fire starter. For the arsonist in you, the precision of the grill master, or the spirit of the adventurer, Pyro Putty is your ally. Ready to light up your world? Buy Pyro Putty on Amazon today and experience your inner fire. For travelers, efficient packing is the key to a stress-free journey. Introducing compression packing cubes, your ultimate solution to maximizing luggage space and minimizing bulk. Unlike traditional vacuum bags, these innovative cubes use a 2-zipper system to compress clothes, eliminating excess air and wasted space. Say farewell to checked bag fees and embrace the freedom of carry-on travel. These space-saving wonders act as a versatile luggage organizer, keeping your outfit separate and easily accessible, whether you're using a backpack, suitcase, or any other luggage. Crafted from durable 210D ripstop nylon with water-resistant polyurethane fabric, these cubes are built to withstand the rigors of travel. Reinforced zippers and stitching guarantee long-lasting reliability, ensuring your belongings stay safe and organized throughout your adventures. Each set includes a variety of cube sizes to accommodate all your essentials, from shirts and underwear to bulky rain jackets and hoodies. Pack smarter, travel lighter, and experience the difference compression packing cubes can make on your next adventure. Calling all avid hikers and backpackers, the Osprey Atmos AG65 is here to elevate your outdoor adventures. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a multi-day trek, this pack has got you covered. Imagine carrying 40+ pounds of gear without feeling weighed down. The Atmos AG65's innovative anti-gravity suspension system creates a seamless, body-hugging fit that feels like an extension of yourself. The 3D suspended mesh back panel keeps you cool and comfortable, even on the hottest days, while the adjustable harness and hip belt ensure a personalized fit for any body type. This pack isn't just comfortable, it's also incredibly functional. The spacious main compartment easily swallows all your essentials, while the multiple pockets and compartments keep everything organized. Stash your water bottles in the side pockets, secure your trekking poles with the stow-on-the-go system, and access your sleeping bag from the bottom compartment. And when the weather turns, the integrated rain cover keeps your gear dry. The Osprey Atmos AG65 is built to last, using durable, recycled materials and a PFC-free DWR finish to protect against the elements. It's the perfect blend of comfort, functionality, and sustainability, making it the ideal choice for any outdoor enthusiast. Experience legendary comfort right from the start with the Merrell Men's Moab 2-vent hiking shoe. Building on a tradition of excellence, this iconic hiker features a kinetic fit advanced insole and EVA midsole for superior support, while the Vibram TC5 Plus outsole ensures outstanding performance and confidence on any terrain. The Moab 2-vent's durable pig suede leather and breathable mesh upper keep your feet cool and comfortable, while the traditional lace closure and bellows tongue prevent debris from entering. Protective toe cap adds durability, and the breathable mesh lining further enhances comfort. Inside, the Kinetic Fit Advanced Removable Contoured Footbed, reinforced heel cushioning offers medium support, and a molded nylon arch shank adds stability. The Merrell air cushion in the heel absorbs shock, and the lightweight EVA foam midsole delivers all-day comfort. Finally, the exclusive Vibram TC5 Plus outsole features 5mm lugs, unmatched grip, traction, and durability, whether you're conquering mountain trails or exploring city streets. At just 1 pound 16 ounces, this versatile hiking shoe is your perfect companion for any adventure. When it comes to tactical tomahawks for personal defense, the SOG F06TN stands out as a top contender. Its 420 stainless steel head, fortified with a durable hard-cased coating, ensures it can effortlessly and effectively cut through various materials. The handle, constructed with heavy-duty bolts and a steel ferrule, offers superior strength compared to traditional handles, guaranteeing a long and reliable service life. Weighing in at just 24 ounces, this Tomahawk remains comfortable during extended use, minimizing hand fatigue. Its compact size allows for easy portability, fitting conveniently into any corner of your bag, ensuring it's always within reach when you need it most. In conclusion, if you're looking for a tactical Tomahawk that excels in extreme survival scenarios, SOG F06TN Tactical Tomahawk is the ideal choice. The weatherproof ETFE exterior layer boosts performance, makes the panel last longer, and requires minimal maintenance compared to other portable solar chargers. It's designed to withstand any weather. Waterproof, shockproof, and even drop-proof. This portable solar panel folds down to the size of a tablet, easily fitting into your backpack. Its magnetic closure keeps it secure, eliminating the need for bulky straps. There's even a pocket to store your electronics, with a mesh design for airflow to prevent overheating. It charges fast too. The monocrystalline panels with ETFE construction are super efficient, even in low light. Dual USB ports let you charge both USB-A and Type-C devices at wall outlet speeds. Built-in smart tech automatically detects your device for the fastest, safest charge, with multiple layers of protection. It even restarts charging if shade passes over. Perfect for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. It's also a must-have for emergency kits. Never be without power again.
In the unpredictable wilderness or during emergencies, starting a fire is more than just a comfort. It's a critical survival skill. The Bayite 4-inch survival Ferrocerium drilled flint fire starter emerges as an essential tool for those who prioritize self-reliance and preparedness. Its compact design, featuring a durable paracord for a secure grip, ensures you're always ready to create a fire, offering warmth, cooking capability, and a vital signal when needed most. Constructed with a BD Striker Pro striker made from tool-grade HSS steel, this fire starter guarantees reliability and longevity, generating a shower of hot sparks with every strike. Ferrocerium rod strikes the perfect balance, large enough for an effective spark shower, yet small enough for effortless portability. Waterproof and weatherproof, it performs flawlessly in any condition, delivering sparks at an impressive 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're embarking on outdoor adventures, facing emergencies, or tackling everyday tasks, the Bayite 4-inch Survival Ferrocerium drilled flint fire starter is your trusted partner for fire starting mastery.
Embrace the perfect combination of comfort, mobility, and sustainability with the Selk'bag Lite Wearable Sleeping Bag. Designed for versatility, this adult sleeping bag is your ideal companion for camping, road trips, or simply lounging at home. Enjoy complete flexibility with adjustable features like the insulated hood, elastic hand enclosures, and removable booties, allowing you to customize your comfort for any situation. Stay cozy with a soft, polyester shell and synthetic hollow fiber insulation, providing a temperature rating of 9 to 13 degrees Celsius, perfect for spring and summer evenings. Each sleeping bag is crafted from 153 recycled plastic bottles, showcasing Selk'bag's commitment to eco-friendly practice. The machine-washable design makes cleaning a breeze, so you're always ready for your next adventure. Experience the difference with the Selk'bag Lite Wearable Sleeping Bag, where comfort, mobility, and sustainability come together. Uncharted Supply Co. introduces the 72 Pro Survival System, carefully designed professional solution for first responders. The 72 Pro upgrades their iconic design, providing a full two-person survival kit, adding new tools and a redesigned carrying system. The system is enhanced with premium materials, using a water-resistant 600D tarpaulin fabric that is seamlessly integrated into a soft frame with redesigned shoulder straps, providing the ultimate all-day carrying experience. Different from the original 72, the 72 Pro introduces new tools including a full-tang rubber-handled knife, anti-fog ski goggles, an upgraded first aid kit, and a metal water bottle. The expanding mat holds two-person survival and safety gear, including essentials like a first aid kit, emergency rations, fire starting gear, emergency shelter, tri-band radio, water filter, multi-tool, and more. With step-by-step survival guides printed directly onto the mat, the 72 Pro is a comprehensive and invaluable resource for overcoming challenges with techniques like fire starting, first aid, and staying warm. Looking for a durable, multi-purpose tool to enhance your outdoor experience? Look no further than the Sahara Sailor Survival Shovel. This is more than just an ordinary shovel. It's a multi-tool designed to make your adventures more versatile. Crafted from military-grade solid carbon steel and aerospace-grade anodized aluminum tubing, this survival tool can withstand the rigors of survival activities and car emergency. This amazing multi-tool combines 12 essential tools in one compact package, including a shovel, pickaxe, saw, bottle opener, cleaver, whistle, knife, fish scale, emergency hammer, flathead screwdriver, and 4-size wrench. With such versatility, you'll be equipped to handle any camping trip, especially when traveling with your kids. Designed for convenience, this camping shovel is collapsible and portable, allowing for easy storage and transport. Simply twist the lock to fold or expand as needed. Plus, it comes with a durable carrying case, making it an ideal camping gift for outdoor enthusiasts. But the Unbreakable Survival Shovel isn't just for camping. Perfect for hiking, gardening, backpacking, hunting, expeditions, car emergencies, and any outdoor survival situation you might encounter. Whether for everyday use or unexpected situations, a compact yet powerful flashlight is crucial for providing light whenever and wherever you need it. Introducing the Sofirn LED Small Flashlight USB-C Rechargeable, also called the SC13. Don't let its small size fool you. Measuring just 2.54 inches and weighing a mere 1.41 ounces, this mini flashlight delivers an impressive 1,1300 lumens, reaching distances up to 217 meters. Its USB-C rechargeable feature ensures hassle-free charging at home or on the move. The SC13 includes a lockout function to prevent accidental activation, saving battery life during transit or storage. Constructed from durable Al66-1T6 aluminum alloy, it's built to withstand impacts and is IP68 water resistant, making it suitable for various environments. Perfect for everyday carry, its compact size and lightweight design allow for easy transport in pockets, purses, or attached to a keychain. Whether navigating dark areas or handling emergencies, the Sofirn SC13 is a reliable companion for everyday life.